Tiremwe kana mere amwe ya ateti mekuoerwo na kwaria miario igicogera rumena na ngui na angi makarekererio mathie na mbere na mihang'o yao matekuoerwo ikinya muno thutha wa kwaga kunyitikana na mahitia ni igoti. Na riu President Uhuru Kenyatta ni athiete ruhonge rwa borithi gukinyukiria ateti ta acio makinya marumu.
As we now enter the electioneering period, a period that is often challenging, particularly for the police, I ask you and all other agencies concerned to deal firmly with incitement by any Kenyan or foreigner, irrespective of their political affiliation.
Na ireta njira ya kugacirithia ugitiri, ruhonge rwa borithi ni rwamukirite ngari magana matano itinaini ria gatatu ria mutaratara wa kuhe borithi hinya wa kuguthuka kuria gwathuka na gutungatira muingi.
Today we are receiving 500 assorted vehicles to enhance not only the mobility of our National Police Service, but also to ensure that provision of immediate response is achieved.
Ruhonge ruru rwamukirite ngari 2,700 nginyagia riu na itanya ni gukinyia ngari itanyiheire 7,000 mubango-ini uria utanyitwo kuhuthira ciringi bilioni 7.7. Thirikari oroho ni igurite ngari 55 iri na hinya munene iria imwe ciacio cigutwarwo gicigo gia gicua-ini na rugongo rwa bururi kuria kaingi kuhithukagirwo ni itoi.
The AMRAP vehicles, which are anti-mine resistance, and some of them have already been deployed in the operational areas. We have some in Boni, operational area, and some in the northeastern. And this is part of the modernization program, which is continuing.
Ruhonge rwa borithi oroho ni rwiriga kwamukira ndege 3 muthemba wa helicopter iria Mutongoria wa bururi arauga ni itanyitwo kuongerereka na gukinya 7 uikinyiria mweri wa 7 mwaka uyu. Handu-ini ha Inooro TV njitagwo Monica Kaguni.